Xiaomi 13 Lite, Xiaomi 13, Xiaomi 13 Pro to make global debut at MWC 2023, official renders emerge, Gizmo China. Xiaomi recently confirmed that it will unveil the Xiaomi 13 series for the global market on February 26 at the MWC 2023 event. As per a leak by tipster Snoopy Tech, the Xiaomi 13 Lite will also be part of the Xiaomi 13 series for the global market. The leak reveals that Xiaomi 13, Xiaomi 13 Pro, and Xiaomi 13 Lite will all debut at MWC 2023. To those who are unaware, the Vanilla and Pro models have already launched in China in December 2022. The Xiaomi 13 Lite is believed to be a rebranded version of the China-exclusive Xiaomi Civi2. Xiaomi will also unveil the Xiaomi 13 Pro in India on the same day. However, the Vanilla model will not be released in the country. It is unclear whether the company has any plans to launch the Lite model in the country. The Xiaomi 13 Lite is expected to arrive with specs like a 6.55-inch FHD plus 120Hz AMOLED display with curved edges, Snapdragon 7 Gen 1, 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, and a 4500 mAh battery with 67W fast charging. For photography, it has 50-megapixel triple rear cameras and 32-megapixel dual front-facing cameras. The Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Both phones have a 32-megapixel front camera and 50-megapixel triple rear cameras. Both models have 6.36-inch FHD Plus and 6.73-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED displays with support for a 120Hz refresh rate. The Xiaomi 13 has a 4500 mAh battery with 67W fast charging, whereas the Pro edition has a 4820 mAh battery with 120W rapid charging and 50W wireless charging. The Xiaomi 13 series runs on the Android 13 OS, which is overlaid with MIUI 14.